Auditor competency is critical for conducting effective audits, ensuring compliance, and driving process improvements. A skilled auditor must continuously update their knowledge, refine their techniques, and adapt to evolving industry standards. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. Why auditor competency is essential. 2. Key skills and qualifications of an effective auditor. 3. Continuous improvement strategies for auditors. 4. Best practices for professional development. By focusing on competency and continuous improvement, auditors can enhance their effectiveness and add value to organizations. 1. Why auditor competency is essential. Ensures accuracy and credibility. Well-trained auditors provide reliable, evidence-based findings. Supports compliance and risk management. Competent auditors help organizations meet regulatory requirements. Improves process efficiency. Skilled auditors identify inefficiencies and recommend effective improvements. Strengthens stakeholder confidence. Organizations trust highly competent auditors to maintain quality standards. 2. Key skills and qualifications of an effective auditor. Technical knowledge, understanding audit standards, ISO 19011, ISO 9001, IATF 16949, etc. Analytical thinking, ability to assess risks, analyze data, and identify root causes. Attention to detail, recognizing gaps in documentation, process deviations, and compliance issues. Communication skills, presenting audit findings clearly and professionally to stakeholders. Ethical judgment, maintaining objectivity, independence, and confidentiality. 3. Continuous improvement strategies for auditors. Ongoing training and certifications. Obtain lead auditor certifications for ISO, IATF, or other industry standards. Participate in professional networks. Engage with audit associations, IRCU, IIA, etc. Use technology for smarter auditing. Leverage audit management software, AI tools, and digital reporting to improve efficiency. Conduct self-assessments and peer reviews. Regularly evaluate audit performance and seek feedback for improvement. 4. Best practices for professional development. Commit to lifelong learning. Take online courses, webinars, and refresher training. Improve soft skills. Develop negotiation, problem-solving, and leadership skills. Benchmark against industry leaders. Learn from top auditors and global audit firms. Stay adaptable. Be open to new technologies, methodologies, and regulatory updates. Key takeaways. Auditor competency ensures accurate audits, compliance, and process improvements. Technical expertise, analytical thinking, and strong communication are key auditor skills. Continuous improvement through training, networking, and technology adoption enhances audit effectiveness. Best practices like ongoing education, peer reviews, and adaptability help auditors stay ahead in their profession. By investing in professional development, auditors enhance their skills, maintain credibility, and contribute to organizational success. In the next lesson, we'll explore how technology is transforming the audit process.